Mom, I want to drop out of fifth grade. Absolutely, sweetie. School is a social construct, so let's just get you a life coach. I also identify as a dolphin now. Wow, that's so brave. I'll change your birth certificate and install a tank in your room. I want to legally change my name to Splash. Of course, Splash. Can I call you Splashy? Okay, I'll call the DMV and a marine biologist. Also, I no longer eat food. I identify as photosynthetic. Okay, I'll give you our room because it's closer to a sun-facing window. I want to drop out of fifth grade. No. But I identify as a dolphin. You're going to school, eating cereal, and doing your homework as a human. Well, I'm changing my name to Splash. No, you are not. You can change your name when you pay your own bills. I'm photosynthetic. Do you even know what that word means? Yes. Okay, if you're gonna be a dolphin, I'm just gonna go dump you in the middle of the ocean. Tonight, 12 a.m., does that work? No, I don't want to live in the ocean at night. Oh, you don't? I thought you were a dolphin. I changed my mind. That's exactly what I thought.